helthcase is a smart pill case, but not a boring kind. This one is special. It reminds, notifies, organizes, and eventually improves your medication adherence. helthcase is designed as a dosing butler. It remembers your dosing schedule so that you don't need to. And without paying any attention, your adherence is improved. I'm Rebecca, the co-founder of helthcase. As a user myself, I'd like to be reminded, but not in a disturbing way. And this is why helthcase comes with different reminder options: light, beeping sound, phone notification. You can combine them in any way you like and make sure it doesn't annoy you. And in this tiny body, we packed sensors, light and sound notification system, internet and Bluetooth connection, and a large battery capacity. Yes, it's future-proofed. helthcase is so easy to use, especially for the less tech-savvy. It can work independently without Wi-Fi connection or a smartphone. No need to be searching for Wi-Fi signal. helthcase comes with free cellular connectivity just like your Kindle cellular version. It directly talks to our cloud, updating your dosing schedule and notifying you with customizable reminders. And if you are taking multiple pills, such as vitamins or fish oil, leave them to helthcase. It has several detachable compartments. So, have fun customizing your personalized helthcase, cause this can be built in many ways, simply by switching and sliding. helthcase is made just for you. And for caretakers, on the helthcase app, you can check the dosing status or even remotely set up the device. And this makes helthcase the perfect gift for family and keep people you love in the loop. Oops, time for mine!